Hi guys, so let's do another assignment. I want to build off of the things that we learned last time when we did a turkey. So we're going to click on our button up here from the menu to make a new sketch. Click on New Sketch, click Create, Save Current Sketch, and there you go. So you got a new one here. And what I want to build off of, I want to see if you guys can remember how to do the transform, duplicate, and then I'll teach you a new one called HSL Adjust. So what it's going to look like, I want you to set up everything, make sure you have a new layer, make sure you shrink your screen down and use the pencil tool, and make sure the opacity is at 100%. Okay, so what I want you to do, you can pick a color. I want you to draw an animal. You can draw any kind of animal you want. I'm just going to draw an example one real quick. Maybe like a little bear. Doesn't even have to be that fancy. Just use a couple different colors. You can spend some time on this. Whatever animal you want, okay? It doesn't have to be what I'm doing. I'm just making an example real quick. Okay, so I've got my little example here, and what we're going to do with this, I wanted you guys to remember how to transform by clicking on the 4 arrow button, shrinking it down, moving it over to the side, and then when you're done, click Done. That was the 4 arrows button. It's called Transform up here at the top. Looks like 4 black arrows. Then what I want you to do is click on your layer like that, like right on your layer, this one right here, the first one, the one you drew on, and duplicate it. And remember what you do next. You click on Transform, and you can move it and change its size if you want to. I'm going to change its size for fun. And then the next thing I want to introduce you to is HSL Adjustment. You click on the layer, and there's a button here called HSL Adjust. It looks like 3 circles all together in a triangle, and one of them is a white circle, and it says HSL Adjustment. You click on that, and you have 3 things to change. One, you have the hue. That's your actual colors, your rainbow colors, and it's only going to change the layer that's selected. So I can change my hue. I can change my saturation. Saturation is how much color or how little color is in the picture. So there's 0 saturation. That's negative 100. This one is full saturation. That makes it really, really bright with color. So I'm going to just play with that. And then there's the lightness. L stands for lightness. That makes it either all the way dark or so light that it eventually just disappears. See that? It doesn't disappear, it just turns white. So play with your HSL in there, then click Done. And then what I want you guys to do is try to do this 5 times. Practice making 5 of these. So you copy, or not copy, you click on your layer, duplicate, click on Transform, move that layer, you can shrink it if you want to, and click Done. And then you click on the layer again, change the HSL, and it changes it back. You can go that way, change all this, and click Done. So now I have 3 layers with different varieties of color, and I'll do it 2 more times. Oops, not that. Click here and duplicate. So I see I have another layer. Then I click on here. I can actually change the HSL first if I want to. Click Done, but then I have to transform it. Move it over there. Click again, duplicate. I can transform it first by moving it. Click done, and then HSL Adjustment. Make that one darker. There we go. Alright, that's all you have to do on this example. I'm just practicing duplicating, HSL adjustment, and transforming. Okay?